frequencies open. Right, so I got deliveries. Yeah, in background. At least it's not the full notification thing makes sound. So 2 deliveries, and I know what this is, because this is from Comic Room Hamburg, Gunthurster 94222087 Hamburg, Germany. So I know exactly what this is. Once I get the bloody thing open. Should do it. Oh, yes. Because that just you've not right. I don't really need to open it fully. Oh, actually I do. Nice of them. That's an excellent idea. I appreciate that one. That's more than I thought it would. Which is good. I'm almost there. One. Ooh. And there we have it. Swamp Thing and Animal Man. Rockworld, the Green Kingdom, and Rockworld, the Red Kingdom. Both of them. So the Rockworld storyline, plus those issues from Frankenstein Agents of Shade, which are Rockworld as well. That's the entire Rockworld storyline from Scott Snyder, Yannick Paquette, Jeff Lemire, and Steve Pugh. Pugh, Barney McGrew, Cuthbert Dibble, Grob. I need a mini fan in here. I do, I need a mini fan. I need a mini fan. And another thing, this is probably going to be the Justice League of America thingamajig. We'll see. I'll cut you! Oh, no. Come along. But no, I'm not. Justice League of America Volume 1 and Volume 2 from Jeff Jones, David Finch, Brett Booth and Doug Mank. Excellent. Tom Derenick as well. Eddie Barrows, Doug Mank, Matt Kint for the second one. Excellent. So yeah, I think that's the end of I think there were only 2 volumes of this, because it came in pretty late at New 52. Issues 8 to 14. So yeah, I think Yeah. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So that's two that I can knock off the, well, four that I can knock off the eBay list. Justice League America, Volumes 1 and 2, and Swamp Thing, Rockworld the Green Kingdom, Rockworld the Red Kingdom. Don't know which comes first. I'm not sure which comes first. It says Animal Man 12 and 17, and Swamp Thing 12 to 18. Then he says Animal Man 12 to 19 and Swamp Thing 12 to 17, so it's really not clear. But I think Animal Man goes first. But I can sort all that out later. I'm going to call this a graphic unboxing. I've still got 2 DVDs to come today from Amazon. But you'll see those when they come. There's a few to come from eBay as well. So I was going to do a DVD Dimensions, but I'll wait for those to come. And I'm still watching those cartoon animated Doctor Who's. Those are going to go on the DVD Dimension list. So give me a couple of days for the DVDs, all the DVDs to come in. Then I'll do a proper DVD Dimension. Anyway, you will see me very, very soon. I'll be trying something new, probably. I've still got 2 ciders down there and those thingamajigs back there. I don't know. It's a very warm day again. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit notification, and sacrifice your soul to Satan. I know, sacrifice your life. Okay, frequency off.